What is freedom? Freedom is a special right that people are given from the moment they are born. There are countless definitions of the word freedom in the world. But the idea that everyone wants to be free is hidden in the minds of all inhabitants, not only of our republic, but also citizens of different countries of the world. The presence of freedom is important in the life of every person, because without it, we would not be what we are now. Turning the pages of the world history, in human memory we recall moments from the memories of different incidents that violated the right to freedom not only of a person, but also of a whole nation. Looking back into the past, one remembers those times when Yakutия was also going through its difficult years. It all started with the forced resettlement of residents of the Churapcha district. What sensible person could make such a decision? Many residents had never ever seen a river and had never been involved in fishing. And how many people died because of this criminal idea? Covering themselves with a wartime situation, they forced people to leave their homes and, even worse, moved them beyond the Arctic Circle to places where there was not only a tolerable house, but a simple shed. With the coming to power of such a great and just and truly honorable man, our Yakutия began to prosper. It all started when the sovereignty of the Republic was being sought. In the Declaration of State Sovereignty, it was stated that the land of Yakutия and its subsoil wealth, fauna and flora were the exclusive property of the people of the Republic. This position was not wanted to be recognized in the center. They wanted to keep Yakutия as before in the role of raw materials at the Dutch. Mikhail Efimовich had many serious discussions on these issues, and the highest authorities of the Union and Russia spoke from the rostrums of congresses of people's deputies, sessions of the Supreme Soviet of the Union. So, with the proclamations of sovereignty, legislative support and economic independence, approval of the new status of the Republic, our people had a historic chance to create a qualitatively new society. A society in which everyone is equal and lives off their labor, where everyone is guaranteed a decent place in accordance with their abilities and capabilities. Of course, I cannot enumerate all the good that Mikhail Efimовich has done for our people and our republic, but an undoubtedly important deed is the way he achieved Yakutia's sovereignty. Thus, freedom gives meaning to life, promotes the development of the individual and broad society, thereby opening the way to prosperity. By gaining freedom, the people are liberated from iron fetters like a falcon boldly soaring into the clear sky, at the same time not fearing the falls and obstacles that will be encountered on the way to their highest ambitions. Thank you.